3-minute air effect. Okay, let's go. Is this exercising? Alright. I'm exercising on my arm. And on the cells. Yes. Okay, still recording. I wonder how it's like speaking over here. This might not be 3 minutes. This might be 2 minutes. Oh, I lost. My phone might die.
The charger's plugged next to my bed. I'll charge it.
So we can charge in the car. And how far is that? Uh-huh. Huh? 10 minutes? So I get 10 battery. I don't know if that's how it works, but Ooh. 2 minutes. Okay, boys, we gotta keep going. I'm almost done. Just 3 minutes. Sorry. I'm almost done.